Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Stockton Mortgage account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Stockton Mortgage Funding is a full-service lender offering wholesale and corresponding lending. Start off by opening up your web browser and in the web address bar type in the URL stockton.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site of Stockton Mortgage, click on the Manage My Loan option at the top. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see two options on your screen. If you've not signed up for Stockton Mortgage, click the sign up button and follow through the registration process. To check your mortgage account and access it online, click the login button. Now, in the login area appearing on the next page, start off by typing in your valid username. After you do that, head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you'd like the system to remember this username on this particular device, then make sure to check this Remember My Username box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Click on this I agree to the user term and privacy policy box and finally click the login button in order to log into your Stockton Mortgage account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the register your account button, and if you've forgotten your credentials while logging in, you can get help by clicking on this forgot username or the forgot password links respectively. I hope you learned how you can easily get access to your Stockton Mortgage account and access your account online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.